Hey and welcome back. In this video I will show you how to turn yourself into one of these super awesome action figures with the help of Chat GPT. So what do you need for that? You need some of the assets prepared, so for example a picture of yourself, and you need a strong prompt that I will share in the comments and description below. So let's start off, and we want to start with a photo of myself. So draw an action figure toy of the person in this photo. The action figure should be full figure, so full body, and displayed in its original blister pack packaging. On top of the box, we want to have the name. So in my case, it will be founder. In the blister package, next to the figure, show the toy's accessories, including a MacBook laptop. Then we want to have a wand. And we also want to have a wand, then let's say a book, a notebook, or a notebook, a book. Okay, so we want to have a book inside because I like to read. And we want to have inside one of these logos. So for example, the Figma or Webflow logo. So I'm opting in for the Webflow logo. In the blister package next to the figure, accessories, MacBook, laptop, a wand, a book, and the attached Webflow logo as a plastic version. The figure should look like a premium toy. Everything should be inside the plastic. So make sure to be very specific with your prompt. The more specific, the better. Match the person's face exactly, and then make him look plastic. Sometimes this helps. Okay, and now we are hitting generate. And let's see what happens. This might take a minute or two, but let's see how the results will look like. Okay, so as you can see, the first version was created. I think it looks already super nice. I don't know why ChatGPT created two of these books in the image. So sometimes, it does weird things. Then we can adapt or also be a bit more specific in the briefing itself. So for me, what I want to do now is please change the background of the blister to a dark green, and also delete the second book in the packaging. In the packaging, we only want the laptop, the wand, the Webflow logo, and one book. So let's see what will happen if we adjust it. Okay, nice. So as we can see here now, the second book is deleted. Everything is dark green, and we are happy for now. Obviously, you could play around with the positioning here a little bit, but I think you got the idea. If you want to learn more about how to use AI in marketing, make sure to follow the channel for more tutorials. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.